Ocal PVC coated conduit should always be damage-free. Any compromise to the PVC coating can lead to corrosion, which places personnel and the electrical system at risk. Ocal offers 2 PVC patching compounds to repair minor damage of PVC coating. To repair areas larger than 1 inch in width, use a quality vinyl or PVC tape. Ocal Air Cure Patch Compound is commonly used in a variety of environments, especially where heat cure patching is not an option. To prepare for patching, use a wire brush to remove any rough or loose edges surrounding the damaged area. Next, using the integrated cap brush, apply a generous amount of Ocal Liquid Air Cure Patching Compound to the area. The compound should overlap the surrounding PVC, since the compound only adheres to PVC. Make sure that the patched area is level with the original factory coating, which is a nominal 0.04 inch. This may require 2 or more applications. Allow each coat of the compound to cure up to 24 hours. Ocal Heat Cure Patch Compound offers a thicker consistency at higher ambient temperatures than standard air cure compounds, helping provide better coverage and a more effective patch in warm weather applications. Using a standard chip brush, apply Heat Cure Patching Compound in the same manner as Air Cure Patching Compound. The compound should overlap the surrounding PVC, since the compound only adheres to PVC. To dry, use a common heat shrink gun. The compound should cure in approximately 2 minutes, resulting in a dull finish. As mentioned earlier, be sure to build the patched area to the level of original factory coating with as many coated layers as necessary, allowing each coat to dry thoroughly. If patching is not an option, you can repair a large area of exposed metal greater than 1 inch wide by using vinyl or PVC tape. This type of repair should be used as a temporary solution until the compromised section can be replaced. First, remove any loose PVC material and smooth rough PVC edges surrounding the damaged area. Wrap the conduit with the tape to at least 0.04 inch thickness, overlapping 1/2 the width of the tape as well as the surrounding PVC coating. Completely cover the taped area with Ocal PVC spray to assist with sealing the taped area, as well as aesthetically color matching the factory PVC coating. To learn more about Ocal products and technical specifications, scan this QR code.